Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new and improved X1S smart remote from SofaBaton. It includes a remote and a hub. I'm going to look at a few of the specifications really quick. The hub does support Bluetooth and BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy. Also supports Wi-Fi. It stays connected to power through a Type-C, a USB, and it also, of course, has infrared to control all your infrared devices. The remote itself is rechargeable. Obviously, a wireless remote rechargeable. You charge it for about 3 hours. It'll last you about 2 months, depending on obviously how you use it. But you only have to charge it ever so often. If you charge it once a month, you'll never have to worry about it, which is really great. Now, let's open this up and take a look at what comes in the box. This is a great remote system, great to replace the Logitech Harmony if you're used to those, kind of similar to those in the way it works. And you do have your instruction manual here that gives you all the information you need on how to set it up. There are video tutorials. Of course, you do use an app to connect. You connect the hub to the app, and that's how you're going to add devices and things like that to get it all set up and working. And now here's the remote itself. Now this is a great remote. These keys are backlit down here, which is really great. So even if you're watching TV in a dark room, you can see it. You can see you already have, it's already partially charged, comes that way. And you have activities, you have devices, you have set. So there's different things you can do. You can have activities that will control a bunch of different things at one time. For example, turn on the TV, turn on your surround sound system, turn on your Apple TV, and get it all ready to go. And then you can decide how these buttons operate depending on what activity you choose. But you also have devices, and you can pick a specific device and then have these buttons control that device, which is really great. You've also got your universal off button, your back button, which pertains to this screen, easy scroll wheel to get to what you need, and then you have your controls down here to control your devices. You've got your basic controls, your play, pause, fast forward, rewind, up and down, volume, up and down, like menu. You've got your menu button, your home button, your back button, and then you've got your directional wheel here, and then you've got your 4 color buttons. So all those buttons can be programmed. Once you choose a remote, you can program what those buttons do based on the different activities that particular device has. So really, really cool, and it does have Type-C port here on the bottom, and that is how you charge it up. So that is the remote, and let's see what else comes in the box. Get a basic information sheet here, settings for the remote, connect it to your hub, add devices, create a new activity, and refer to the instruction manual for details. Now this is the hub, and this is sort of the brains of the operation. The remote control is how you control stuff, but the remote control stays connected to this hub, and the hub is the thing that is powered on and is connected to your Wi-Fi, and it's going to be sending out all your commands, whether that be a Bluetooth command or an IR blasting command. The IR will blast from here. This new improved version, X1S, has much stronger infrared blastings to connect to devices or control devices that are even further away without any issues at all. So nice, sleek looking hub. On the bottom here, you've got nice rubber feet so that it stays in place. You've got your little LED indicator. You do also have these holes here, so you could mount this to a wall, like in the back of the room. You could mount this flat to the wall and have it broadcasting out, which would be a great way to do it as well. They have it set up for you so you can use it whatever way works best for you. On the back here, you've got your button, your like control button. Then you've got your USB-C, that's for power, and then you've got extra ports to add even more IR blasters, which is very cool, and we'll take a look at those because those are in the box as well. Move this off to the side. Here you've got not one but 2 USB to USB-C cords. Here we go, and you see you've got those because you might need one. You're going to need one to power and charge your remote, and then the other one to stay connected to your hub, and so they include the cords for both things. Then you've got your power brick. is just what you will plug the cord into. You can plug it into this. You could plug it into this to charge the remote, but probably you're going to use this to be plugged into the hub and keep that powered all the time, and then just charge your remote using any other USB power source you have. But this they include so that you can power that hub. And then last but not least in the box, you do have 2 sets of additional IR blasters. So these can plug into the back of that hub, and then you can put them in different places. So if you need that for some reason, then you can use this as a way to get IR blasting to even more places. So just gives you extra options. I don't think I will need that in my setup in my living room, but in some setups you might need that, and just in case they include that. And so here you have it, your IR blasting extra blasters, your remote control, your hub, which is the brains of the operation, your power cords, and your power supply. And that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for a full demo and review of this product so you can see it in action and see how well it works. And if you have any questions, you can post them down below. But again, probably a lot of those will be answered in the review. Please subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.